In this video, we want to look at antigen-antibody reaction. Thus, interaction between antigen and antibody is called as antigen-antibody reaction. This reaction between antigen-antibody occur in three stages. First stage, second stage and third stage. First stage, that reaction involved formation of antigen-antibody complex. Second stage leads to visible events like precipitation and agglutination, etc. Third stage include destruction of antigen or its neutralization. So, interaction between antigen and antibody is called as antigen-antibody reaction. It have three stages. First stage, the reaction involve formation of antigen-antibody complex. Second stage leads to visible events like precipitation and agglutination. Third stage include destruction of antigen or its neutralization. Now we see about general properties of antigen-antibody reaction. It have specific epitope of an antigen will react specific paratope of an antibody. So it's epitope paratope interaction. This antigen-antibody reaction is a epitope paratope interaction. Bonds involved mainly hydrogen bond, hydrophobic bond, electrostatic bond and van der Waals forces. General property, epitope and paratope interaction. Okay, then bond involving four different bond, hydrogen bond, hydrophobic, electrostatic bond and van der Waals forces. Next, come to the concept of affinity and affinity. What is affinity? Bond between single epitope of its antigen and its antibody. What is affinity? Bonds between single epitope of its antigen and its antibody. Affinity means total bond between all epitope with the corresponding antibody. Say for example, IgM antibody have pentamer, 5 antibodies. So affinity we have to multiply into 5. So affinity bond between single epitope of antigen and antibody. This one total bond between all epitope. That name is called as affinity. Next we have a hypothesis, Mark-Lattice hypothesis. Here antigen-antibody reaction occur best when the number are equal to each other. When the number is equal to each other, here only antigen-antibody reaction will occur. That name is called as Mark-Lattice hypothesis. Here what he did, he took several test tubes. Then he added patient anti-serum in all test tube. Patient anti-serum kept in diluting it. Then added some amount of certain amount of antigen in all test tube. At a certain point, antigen is equal to antibody reaction occur best. So that is called where that antigen antibody reaction is occur. That name is called as zone of equivalence. Okay, now we are seeing that Mark-Lattice hypothesis. This one suggests that antigen and antibody reaction occur best when the number are equal to each other. Antigen antibody number is equal. There only antigen antibody reaction will occur. He took several test tubes, add patient serum, then add some amount of antigen. At equal amount is there only precipitation will occur. Suppose this reaction on weak or fail to occur if any one excess. Say for example, antibody excess means it is called prozone, antigen excess means is called as host zone. Then type of antigen antibody reaction, there are two types, conventional type and newer types. Conventional type, it have precipitation reaction test, agglutination test, neutralization test, complement fixation test. Newer text example, ELISA immunofluorescent assay, RIA Western blotting and rapid test. So conventional test, precipitation, reaction test, agglutination, neutralization and complement fixation. Newer ELISA immunofluorescent assay, RIA Western blotting and rapid test. Next video we will see detailed of conventional and newer test. So quick recap, this video we saw antigen antibody reaction. Interaction between this antigen and antibody is called as antigen antibody reaction. It have 3 stages. First stage antigen antibody complex, second one visible event, third one is destruction or neutralization. Then general property, bond involving 4 different bond, hydrogen, hydrophobic, electrostatic, bond involved force. Then we saw that affinity and affinity. Affinity means bond between single epitope and epitope of antigen and antibody. Affinity means total bond between all epitope and with corresponding antibodies. Then we saw one hypothesis, Mark lattice hypothesis. Then types. Next video we will see full details. That's all about antigen antibody reaction.